Morgan, are you going to take a shower in the morning?
Yeah.
Are you going to give me a hard time about taking a shower in the morning?
No.
Okay, great. So tonight you can brush your teeth and put on your pajamas just as long as you promise that as soon as you wake up tomorrow, you'll take a shower and get dressed. Do you promise that?
I'll try my best, but yeah.
Pinky promise?
The pinky to the rescue.
With the thumb kiss?
Oh man, that's a thumb kiss. Oh, that's a thumb kiss.
That's official. It's official.
Ow.
Okay, so please now say the words. Mommy, I promise that I will take a shower in the morning without giving you a problem bad at all.
I promise I'll take a shower in the morning without giving you a problem at all.
Love it.